So, given question is asked in GATE CSE 2006. They have given a program and asked the what will be the output of the program. Okay. So first of all, there is a main program, and here they have created a structure test. Okay. So inside which there are two variables. One is integer and second is character, which is pointer type array. So okay. So which will point a character address. Now, because it is a pointer, so it will take 8 bytes. Okay, and it is an integer, it will take 2 bytes. So overall this structure will take 10 bytes. Okay, so they have created a array of what? Structure test type, in which there are two variables inside, integer and character, which will take combinedly 10 bytes. Okay, so here we have created that array. So this is a zeroth index of st array. This is first index, this is second index, this is third index, and this is fourth index. And suppose starting address of st array is 1000. So because integer take 2 bytes, so this is 1000 and next will be 1002. So this completely 1000 and 1002, this is zeroth index. 1010 and 1012, this is first index, this is second index, this is third index, and this is fourth index. Okay, so I hope you understand the str. Now we will proceed to our main function. Okay, so there they have taken a pointer p, which will point the test. Okay, and structure test, and they have provided the starting address of str. So p will point, our p pointer will point here. Okay, in starting. Now p equal to p plus 1. So because our p is in pointing to the zeroth index, so p plus 1 means what? It will point next index. So next index of str is started from 1010. So our p will point here. Okay, now pre-increment of p arrow stay. But if you know the priority index, so this arrow operator has higher priority than this p. So p of c. See this because this character pointer c is pointing to a address. So here we will store the address. Okay. So if you see they have given this value inside this array. So here at location 1000 this 5 is stored. Here not exactly this string will be stored, but become the string become. So we will store the starting address here. Okay. So here our next string is better. So here we will store starting index of better like this in further indexes. Okay. So suppose our become string has starting address 3000. So this is location 3000, 3001, 3002 like this. Suppose our better string has starting address 4000. So here starting address 4000 is stored. So this is 4000, 4001, 4002 like this for jungle string, ancestor, and brother string. Okay. So now what they have done is in because now our p is pointing this first index. In first index, what is c? Everywhere there are two variables I, okay, I and C, like this. Okay, so at first index C and plus plus. Plus plus means what? Because of pre-increment. Okay, so now here this instead of 4k plus 1 will be stored. Okay, now in next line p plus plus, what mean of it? Post increment. But before that, because of array, okay, because for p post increment, so we will, it will affect further. Okay, p of c, so where p of c is pointing, p is pointing first index and its c is pointing 4k plus 1. 4k plus 1 means this e. Here they have said percentile s, which means this will uh, print the string till its end. Okay, so from here attr will be printed. So first what will be printed? Attr. So our two options are attr, b and d. So a can't be our answer and c can't be our answer. Okay, let's see further. So in next, what they have done is plus plus p arrow c. Okay, so here if you see for p, two operators are fighting. Okay, because if you see as we have discussed earlier, this pointer array has highest priority, so our p pointer will point this second index. Okay, now in which c means what? This inside second index, this index. Okay, now what they have done? Increment. So here 5k increment means 5k plus 1. Okay, and star means what? We star means 5k plus 1 means this, and star means inside this u. Okay, because of they have printed a character, so u will be printed, u and u. So still we are in confusion, either b will be correct answer or d. Okay, let's execute next line. So in next line p of 0. So what is a p of 0? P is pointing this second index. Its 0 means this index 1020 address. Okay, dot I means this I and C. Okay, so this 6 will be printed. Percentile D they have taken. So this 6 integer type value will be printed. Okay, so here 6, here 8. So B option 1. Okay, let's go. Let's execute last also. As we here now also we are also clear, but let's go further. Printer percentile s p arrow c. So what is the mean of p? Here p is pointing the second index. At c we have stored 5k plus 1. So here this is pointing this u. Now they have taken what? Percentile s, means from here entire string will be printed. So u and gle, this entire string will be printed, u and gle. So our correct option will be option B. Okay. So this question was based on pointers. Okay. If you know the basic of pointers, you will be able to solve this question. I hope I explained very well. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Okay. Thank you.